Good morning, children. We are here today to celebrate Kargil Vijay Divas or Kargil Victory Day. It is celebrated on 26 July every year. So let us know more about Kargil Vijay Divas. Kargil Vijay Divas 26 July is celebrated as the Kargil Vijay Divas to honor the lives of the brave soldiers who laid their lives for our country India. Kargil Vijay Divas, named after the successful Operation Vijay, which took place on 26 July 1999. The Kargil War was fought for more than 60 days, ended on 26 July. The war ended with India regaining control of all the previously held territory. So, children, 26 July is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas. It is celebrated to honor the lives of the brave soldiers who lost their life for our country, India. So, Kargil war was fought for more than 60 days, and on the last day of the war, Indian Army planned an operation called Vijay. So, 26 July was the last day of the war, and India won the war against Pakistan. So, Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated on 26 July every year. This is Kargil War Memorial at Kargil. Every year, people come here to pay homage to the great heroes who lost their life in the Kargil War. So, children, this is Kargil War Memorial at Kargil. On this day, at National Capital, New Delhi, Prime Minister of India pays homage to the soldiers at Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate every year. So, children, this is Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate, and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is paying homage to the great soldiers who lost their life for our country, India, in the war. Children, do you know where is Kargil situated? Kargil is situated along the banks of the Suru River or Indus River. It is 205 km away from Srinagar. It is 205 km away from Srinagar. And this is the picture of the Kargil town. Kargil war and cause. Children, for every war, there will be a cause. So let us know what is the cause of the Kargil war. Kargil war was an armed conflict between India and Pakistan that took place between May and July 99 in the Kargil district of Kashmir. So it was a war between India and Pakistan in the Kargil district. It happened in May and July 1999. And what was the cause of the war? Cause of the war was the infiltration of the Pakistani soldiers into the areas of Indian side of LOC or line of control. What was the cause? It was the infiltration or the secret entry of the Pakistan soldiers into the Indian areas of line of control. And from there the Kargil war started, and it lasted for 60 days. And 26 July the war came to an end, with India regaining its hold on Kargil, and India won the war against Pakistan. So, say on 26 July, India celebrates as Vijay Divas or Victory Day, Kargil Victory Day or Kargil Vijay Divas. That, that was the end of the Kargil war. And children, there are Kargil war heroes, the heroes who lost their life for our country India in the Kargil war. Let's see some of the Kargil war heroes. There are lots of soldiers who lost their life for our country India. We can see some of the great soldiers who lost their life in the Kargil war. This is Captain Vikram Batra. He was an officer of Indian Army, and he was awarded with the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest and most prestigious award, for his actions during the Kargil war. He lost his life for our country India in the war, and he was awarded the India's highest and most prestigious award, Paramveer Chakra. This is Captain Saurabh Kalia. He was an officer of the Indian Army who died for our country in the Kargil War. He was the first Indian officer to observe and report large-scale intrusion of Pakistan Army. He was the first person who reported the large entry of Pakistan soldiers to the Indian borders. He lost his life for our country in the Kargil War. This is Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey. He was also an officer of the Indian Army who lost his life for our country in the war. He was also awarded the Paramveer Chakra for his courage and leadership during the war. So children, these are some of the great heroes who lost their life for our country India in the Kargil war. So we should pay a lot of respect for and homage for these great heroes. For that, let's pay a tribute to these great heroes. We can hear a song as a tribute to these great war heroes of Indian Army.
फर्ज निभाएंगे, अब तलक जिए बस तेरे लिए मर जाएंगे। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। चाहे आंधी चले तूफान उठे, बढ़ता ही रहे तू रुके नहीं। जब तक है फलक, जब तक है जमीन, मेरा दिल ये कहे कभी झुके नहीं। बस यूं ही लहराए तिरंगा, लहराए तिरंगा, बस यूं ही लहराए तिरंगा। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
So children, hope you enjoyed the song. Now, India is a land of brave warriors. We should be proud of our Indian Army. So children, it's time to pay our respect to the Indian Army. I request all of you to please stand up and give a big salute to our Indian Army and for the great warriors who lost their life in the Kargil war. Okay children, now there are lots of things we should learn from our army. Their sincerity and dedication, their braveness to our country India. So children, we should be proud of our Indian army. So children, that is about Kargil Vijay Divas. So stay safe, stay fit. Jai Hind.